Now, you've got this front clip here, which I'm going to snap into place now, like so, to help hold this in place. So now the lower tube is on, this tube is on, and now it's just a matter of securing everything. So we're going to get the vacuum hose on, we're going to get the MAF sensor on. So let's walk through that. So this front clip, there we go, is in place. We'll secure the clamp on this side. Make sure that you've got a good straight connection to this lower hose. And in this case, it is my flat-bladed screwdriver instead of my driver. So I'll just tighten this down nice and secure, so that's good to go. This is my 8mm driver on this end, so I'll secure that. So we're good to go there. There we go, so we're set there, and that's in place. Our MAF sensor, and actually I'm going to do the vacuum hose first. Again, this should just click on, so just press it straight in. There you go, and a good solid click when it in. We've got our MAF sensor here that we don't have to reorient, which is nice, and that just clicks into place right there. So we're secure, vacuum hose is on, MAF sensor's on, we're secure here instead there. So now all we need to do is put the fiber strut back in and our two covers back on, and we're all done. So the carbon fiber strut's back in. I've double checked all of my connections to make sure that everything is intact and straight. The last thing you want to do is have something not be right after you're doing work. So also when I put the bolts back in, so again, you've got 13mm all the way around, you've got a 10mm here. All of these I put back in really with what can be best described as snug pressure. It was very light pressure all the way around to get them all in and then walk them all together. Again, you don't want it being offset, one side being too tight, the other side being loose. So to make sure that this is nice and secure and in place, because it's to reinforce that structure.